welcome to the first video in this Canva guide for administrators series. In this video, we are going to look at how to select a template for your Canva website. The goal of this video series is to show you how to make a curated resource area for your teachers that they can use throughout the entire school year. Check it out. All right, let's get right into it. The first thing I'm going to do is show you how to make a Canva website where you can kind of make a drop-in area of resources for your teachers. In this case, you are my audience. I am going to make a Canva website where it's going to give you a simple basic layout, and it's going to be a curated set of resources that I am going to collect and create for you so you can come back and revisit this throughout the school year. So one thing I want to say is you can simply do this, and most of you do this for your teachers, whether it's in newsletter form or whatever it may be. You give areas for your teachers to go to get these resources. All right, I'm going to hopefully show you a more engaging way of doing that, something that looks a little bit better, that's just as simple to use, and really you're not going to have to do anything other than learn how to hyperlink and take your resources that you've already made and organize it into Canva via hyperlink. Hang with me, we're going to get through it. But the first thing I want to go through is the two ways that you can access templates to websites or any other type of medium that is found within Canva. We're going to start at the home page here. And like I said, there's two ways of accessing templates. My preferred way is to click templates under the home here. But the other way that we can do it is we can go to websites. And when we do this, we're basically saying that we're going to start from scratch. And there's several different website types, whether it's an event website, it could be a landing page, it could be a full-blown website. All right, but we're creating a blank one when we go to website from underneath here. So let's go ahead and create that blank one. All right, we're in here. It just looks like a slide. That is all. All right, and then as we go in, you can see this design bar over here on the tab to the left. If you click on that, you can access templates right there. All right, so it's no different than the ones on the outside on the home page that I'm going to show you in a second. Other than this only gives you side-by-side options here to look at, and you can go through them all and pick what you want. All right, I like the other one. It's a little bigger. It allows you to see more at the same time. So up here you could say this is for a portfolio blog, whatever it may be. All right, and then once you get within your website, you could choose layouts. Now, layouts are not templates. Layouts are the different types of, if you think Google Slides, it's the different types of slides. We click on it. There are many different variations which you can customize. But once again, you're starting from scratch. I don't really like that. I like to see what's out there. I don't like to regenerate the wheel. I don't have that time. I'm not that creative when it comes to this type of stuff. So I like to use templates. All right, so once again, I'm out here. I could choose whichever one I want. All right, I am going to get out of here, and I'm going to go back, and I'm going to choose templates here. And when I go into templates, what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for websites. All right, so if you go down here, you could figure out where your websites are. Mine are here. And then what that's going to do is it's going to bring up more options that I could see at one time. So as I said before, what I want to do is I want to find something that kind of looks like this one right here or this one down here. I want to find a way to curate a whole bunch of resources for you about Canva that you might use throughout the school year. So what I'm going to do is click on this one so I could see it a little bit better. I also like to see some of ones that are considered more like this. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to customize this template. All right, so for this video, I'm going to stop here because we just now looked at two different ways that we can look for templates within the website builder itself. Just wanted to show the differences before that. In the next one, we're going to actually design this landing spot for all administrators to look at Canva.